Hello students, welcome back. Today I have come back with the fourth and the last video of my series of 100 phrasal verbs, a list, and explaining their meanings along with examples. So this is the last video in the series where I'll give you the last 25 phrasal verbs, and thus we will be completing the 100 phrasal verbs list. I know your exams are near, and so I'll not be wasting any more time of yours or mine either, and just start with my list. Well, let's read now and understand. Number 1, pass off. Pass off means to be over, that is finish. The ceremony passed off smoothly. मतलब सेरेमनी बहुत स्मूथली बहुत अच्छे से फिनिश हो गया. सो पास ऑफ इज टू बी ओवर, to be finished. So the ceremony finished smoothly. Number 2, pass through. Pass through means gather experience. Experience इकट्ठा करना. For example, he had to pass through many difficulties to achieve सक्सेस, यानी कि उसे बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी से गुजरना पड़ा सक्सेस अचीव करने के लिए. Number 3, run away with. Run away with means steal, churana. The thief ran away with all the valuables. The thief stole all the valuables and just ran away. भाग गया चुरा के. Number 4, make after. Make after means follow, पीछा करना. The police made after the thief. पुलिस उस thief का पीछा कर रही थी. So it means follow, पीछा करना, make after, and in this sentence we have used the past tense, made after. Number 5, lay out. Lay out means invest. Invest मतलब कहीं पे obviously पैसे invest करना है, पैसे लगाना. For example, he laid out a large amount of money in business. यानी कि उसने business में काफ़ी अच्छा खासा amount का money invest किया. Number 6, send off. Send off means bid goodbye, किसी को goodbye करना. For example, there was none to send him off at station. यानी कि उसे स्टेशन पे goodbye करने वाला कोई नहीं था. Number 7, take up. Take up means undertake, that is to take responsibility. For example, he will take up the problem to solve it. यानी कि वो बहुत जल्द वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए उसको अंडरटेक करेगा. Number 8, set upon. Set upon is determine. He set upon the plan of being a doctor. Determine, स्थिर कर लेना. So उसने डॉक्टर बनने का प्लान डिसाइड कर लिया था, डिटरमाइन कर लिया था. So set upon means to determine, to be determined about something. Next, we will move on to the next. Number 9, talk over, discuss. Obviously, discuss मतलब बातचीत करना. For example, they are talking over the matter. यानी कि वो इस बात को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. They are talking over the matter. They are discussing the matter. Number 10, work off. Work off, O-F-F, means get rid of, छुटकारा पाना. For example, try to work off your excess weight. यानी कि अपने excess weight से छुटकारा पाने का कोशिश करो. And it's a very, very normal thing to do. Number 11, work on. Work on means continue, लगातार. He worked on day and night. यानी कि वो दिन रात काम करता था. He worked on day and night. Moving on to the next phrasal verb, number 12, turn aside. Turn aside means deviate, यानी कि दूसरी जगह पे मुड़ जाना. For example, we should not turn aside from the path of virtue. यानी कि सही के रास्ते से, सच्चाई के रास्ते से नहीं घूमना चाहिए, उस दूसरी तरफ नहीं जाना चाहिए. Number 13, tell off. Tell off means describe, वर्णन करना. He told of his plan in detail, यानी कि उसने अपने प्लान को डिटेल में बताया, डिस्क्राइब किया. So he described his plan. Next, number 14, hand down. Hand down is pass on. These traditions have been handed down to us, यानी कि ये traditions हमें pass on किया गया है. We have been given these traditions. Next, number 15, go out. Go out means extinguish, बुझा देना. For example, the light has gone out. Light बुझा दिया गया. Next, number 16, hold out. Hold out means continue. Such injustice cannot hold out for long. यानी कि इस तरह का injustice ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चल सकता. Next, number 17, hold in. Hold in means check. You should hold in your temper. यानी कि तुम्हें अपने temper, अपने गुस्से को control में रखना चाहिए. So check is control. Next, number 18, keep in with. Meaning keep good terms. अच्छे रिलेशन बनाए रखना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कैनॉट कीप इन विद यू एनी लॉन्गर. यानी कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ और अच्छे रिलेशंस नहीं रख सकता. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 19, कीप अप. कीप अप मीन्स मेंटेन. ही कीप्स अप हिज रेप्यूटेशन एज अ गुड टीचर. यानी कि वो एक अच्छे टीचर का रेप्यूटेशन बनाए रखा है. नंबर 20, ले असाइड. ले असाइड मीन्स कीप अपार्ट. ट्राई टू ले असाइड समथिंग फॉर योर ओल्ड एज. यानी कि अपने बूढ़े उम्र के लिए कुछ बचा के रखो. कीप अपार्ट, बचा के रखना. 21, फॉल फ्रॉम. फॉल फ्रॉम मीन्स कम आउट, बाहर निकलना. नॉट अ वर्ड फेल फ्रॉम हिज लिप्स. यानी कि उसके मुंह से एक भी शब्द नहीं निकला. सो फॉल फ्रॉम मीन्स टू कम आउट. Next, number 22, fall at. Fall at means show despair. चिंतित हो जाना. His face fell at the news. यानी कि उसके चेहरे से despair, चिंता झलक रही थी when he heard the news. So once he heard the news, he was in despair. Next, number 23. 23, cast out. Cast out means reject. मना कर देना, cancel कर देना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड आई शॉल नॉट कास्ट हिम आउट. क्योंकि वो मेरा दोस्त है, मैं उसे रिजेक्ट नहीं करूँगा. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 24, कैरी ऑफ. कैरी ऑफ मीन्स विन, जीतना. ही कैरिड ऑफ ऑल द प्राइजेस. यानी कि वो अपने सारे प्राइजेस जीत गया. एंड द लास्ट ऑफ द लिस्ट, 25, कॉल ओवर. कॉल ओवर मीन्स रीड आउट. ज़ोर ज़ोर से पढ़ना, पुकारना. For example, the teacher called over the names of his pupils in the class. यानी कि वो टीचर उस क्लास में जितने भी उनके स्टूडेंट्स थे उनके नाम को ज़ोर ज़ोर से रीड आउट किए. सबके नाम वो पढ़ के बुला रहे थे. And thus, my dear students, we come to the end of our list of the 100 phrasal verbs that I had promised I'll be giving you. Well, I know it's time and it's quite late. Your exams are due from tomorrow or day after. But still, I think this video is going to be of some help to all of you. Just see it and try and understand these meanings. That will be all, and that will be of help, let me tell you. I don't say that these phrasal verbs are the ones that will come for your examinations, no, but I can tell you that these are the phrasal verbs which can give you an idea of how phrasal verbs work, how they are treated or how they are used in a sentence. And you can see that many phrasal verbs have, like the same phrasal verbs have different meanings in different contexts. So it's very, very important that you understand the context of the sentences and then you fill them up with the phrasal verbs in your examinations. Well, I know you all are good students and you all be performing very, very well. Let me wish you all the best for your exams and stay tuned. Bye-bye.